hosts you're looking for. You're not the host.
Okay, we said wrong last time. Hey, look, Morgan, so throw into a conveniently placed loading dock.
Took you long enough.
I had to save up for the hand.
Ew, what? Come on, Adam. It's 2 against 1.
Nice landing.
Ratty, why are you here?
Like I was gonna miss this. I'm just sorry I don't got no popcorn. Oh, wait, I do. Damn. Time to go to work? Hold my corn, son.
All right, wait, what are you doing?
Get away from her, you bitch.
That's not even a line from Star Wars.
Nerd. Look out. I'm right at you, sucker. Oh, where'd I go? Oh, here I am. Oh, I'm behind you. Yeah. Fear leads to anger. Yeah. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to sucking it. Well, we showed that medieval bitch how we do things downtown. Ghostbusters! Quiet, nerd.
Come on, chum. Thanks, Ratty.
Don't thank me yet. Wait till you get my bill. Damn.
Let's go, Morgan. I need a Colt 45. Oh.